Hey girl with the big foot.
Hey!
Listen what me said.
No!
Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot.
Hey!
Go up on the bed.
Oh!
Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet.
Yeah!
Me know say you see it. Your big toe need go 2 row of seat. Big foot.
Yeah!
Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
May I take your order?
Yeah, we can get 1 10-piece nuggets, please.
Okay.
Thank you. We can get extra ketchup, please. That's 50 cents. I want ketchup in here for 10 chicken. 50 cents for extra ketchup. Where's that? Yes, 50 cents. Pass the ketchup, lady. Just 50 cents. Pass the ketchup, lady. Pass the ketchup. Pass the ketchup. It's just... Girl, your shoes want a pour. Why? It's a strip. Girl, my ex-man that. What? Hey! No do that. Look here, we're not supposed to exchange no words. Yeah, my ex, we expire. Remember, I couldn't afford my expenses, so my exit outside. After my examine the situation, I make your example, the exchange of your next man outside. Sorry. Excuse. OMG, hi! Hi? You're Perry's new girlfriend. No, wife. Oh my god, he used to take me to Juicy Beef like every Friday. That nicey? We got East Japanese every night. And like drive me around in his Honda Civic? You're funny bad. Cause him drive a Benz now. And you wouldn't believe he took me shopping and bought me all these shoes. Girl, you're cute. And buy me a house. And he used to look at me and be like, oh my god, baby, you're so tight. What is up with him in a tight, my teeth? This is so strange. He's told me nothing about you. Yeah, come and tell him to block you. Excuse. When you stop believe me, man, listen what me say. Nah, listen, let's look here. My unfriend her, my block her, my delete her. She texts me and I reply on like her upon every social media. She texts my mother, she texts my auntie, she texts my auntie dog, and I say, you know what? We're not gonna look on a girl because I know say crazy. I know say any catch me, I gonna leave. You finish? Yes, so if you turn to paragraph 3, section A1, stanza 4, you see where you favorited her tweet on August 25th at 5:05 p.m. You left 3 heart emojis under her picture on September 1st at 5:05 p.m. and you sent her mother a Facebook friend request on September 25th at 3:05 p.m. Now if you turn over, you see 4 screenshots of a text message conversation you had with her on November 1st, 2016. But November not coming. Me know, but my man tell me say you plan to text the bitch, so I'm gonna ask you again. When you stop chat to the girl? Patricia, I want to you. I'm sick. What you sick with? Keisha, I'm sick of it. What's sick, yo? I'm sick of taking people, man. Oh, God. I'm sick of people, man. I call my phone. I'm sick of them that text me. I'm sick of them want to fly me out, want to buy my clothes. I'm sick of people, man. Oh, no. What did doctor say you have? Him say I have love people, man syndrome. So am I gonna cure you? Am I give you medication? Patricia, you don't stop take people, man? You're mad, girl. We can't stop take people, man. Come, let's go. My name is Patricia Brown, and I'm addicted to taking people, man. As far as me see, she have a serious problem. She take her mother man, her sister man, her auntie man, and all her uncle man she take. Well, it all started in kindergarten when money for the take my crayon. You take my crayon, I take your man. Sometimes me there, I don't even know how some of the man them reach here. I don't even know why I'm here. She call herself NWC, National Want Man Commission. How do you think my girlfriends feel? Them lucky, and my father born blessed. What do you mean by you're born blessed? Them never tell you? I have the 3G. And when I say 3G, I not talk data service, I talk about the 3Gs. The glue, the grip, and the glamity. What if people call you a whore? What she say? Lock off this. Lock off. You have an hour begin. How this? Him never teach me this. This to the pan is still of us? You girl. What the answer for number 3? Shh, no talking. You know what, I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Give me a next test, sir. Give me a next test. Patricia. Give me a next test. I can't do this. Give me a next test. Patricia, relax. Give me a next test, sir. Or make a scam, sell my body, sell drugs, strip, something. Give me a next test, sir. I can't do this. Patricia. I can't do this. Give me a next test. Patricia. Give me a next test, sir. I can't do this. Come on. Give me a next test. Jack! Patricia! If you're dead, me can get your scammer money.
Yes.
And your car too. And your house.
Yes.
Jack,
No.
don't let go, Jack. I love you, Jack.
How much you love me?
This much.
So you can give me space on the board?
What you say? Come on which board? To wet up my ear? But just do this, you're outside and bright. Look here, you can't even mind me not grind me. We're in the ocean and something still dry. Obama say, yes, we can you get me wet? No, out of order. As a matter of fact, let go for this. You're not my real man, I'm a side man.
Water, earth, fire, air. Long ago, this couple lived together in perfect harmony. Then, everything changed when Patricia attacked. Only Patricia, master of all four elements, can take people man. But when the man needed her most, she vanished. 100 years passed, my brother and I discovered the man thief had returned. Mad gal, Patricia. And although she's really good at taking people man, she has a lot to learn before she can take people man and not catch feelings. But I believe Patricia can save the world.
Thank you guys so much for nominating me in this year's YVAs. Now the job not done yet. Make sure you log on to www.yvascaribbean.com, click vote in the top menu bar and vote for me in categories 8, 24 and 27. Make sure to vote for Quiet Patricia. Yeah, vote for me, nice clean me. Not clean, but I know you're sorry, but know me, nice clean, good me. Patricia, yes, yo. Me hate your bad. When you vote for me, them don't know you. Too bright. Your name on the list, them not gonna vote for you. Nice clean. Patricia, listen, take people man, brown. Them don't know you. Them not. Yeah. Them not gonna vote for me. Them know me. Vote for me. Me, nice clean me. Patricia, Patricia. You know, it's a long time I don't argue with him though. Text messages, we tried that last year. Screenshots, tried that last week. Text messages, phone calls. Hello? Why you keep on a call a girl? Which girl you talk about? The same one they called 3 minutes ago. Oh, you know somebody called me 3 minutes ago. My mind tell me, I don't know which girl you talk about. The same one you call 10 times this week. Oh, what's your name? Customer care.
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, Patricia, what's up?
Yeah, Perry can't come and work today.
Wait, what happened?
We have to carry him got the vet.
Vet? What do you mean?
He's sick.
Sick?
Because him want to be a dog and talk to any girl him feel like, and it not gonna work so. Because Patricia Brown is not a man clown. Yeah, you not gonna play with my feelings. So I carry him go to the vet, go castrate him outside and get fixing business. Yes, so him not come in and work today. And since him want to be a dog, when him come in and work next week, remove him desk and give him a kennel. And him not have no more lunchtime. When at 12 o'clock, send him outside go play fetch. Outside. Come. Hello? Where you come for? Can I come link you? Today not your day, look on the timetable. We just want to come check you, man. Check the timetable, I'm full of man like scripture, read it. It's a Monday for Matthew, Tuesday for Mark, Wednesday for Luke, Thursday for John, tomorrow your day and Saturday my day off. So I can't come for your peace. Peace of what? Bring piece of the rent come outside. Tomorrow your day link me. And when you come carry food, because I want can beef my have left and I can't find the key.
That's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy, Can You Crack? Peace.